Three stupid, simple steps to take to start you on your tech journey and to get you gainfully employed. Okay, so these are the steps that you need to take. Actually, just three of them. Number one is research, number two is research, and number three is research. And no, I'm not trying to reiterate one point three times, but all of these 3 points all boils down in your ability to research. So, what are you going to research? The first point you need to find is what tech skill do you want to learn? There are a lot of tech disciplines out there. Okay, there is software engineering, there is website development, there is data analysis, there is digital marketing, there is social media. There are a lot that you can learn on that tech. Okay, there's also community management. I know a lot of us think when you talk about tech, it has to be all technical, like programming and all that. No, community management doesn't have to be technical. It is not. Digital marketing is not. There are a lot out there that are not very technical. So you need to understand yourself, and that's where the first research comes in. You need to research which one you are cut out for. And how are you going to do that? Get on your browser, on your PC, on your phone, and Google 2024 tech skills. So you get a list of them, and I want you to actually research and read each, at least 10 of the skills, 10, and you will find you select at least 2 to 3 that fits who you are, that fits your core. I have tried doing software engineering, and I found out that this is not my thing. I'm not a technical person. I'm a people-oriented person. There are people who are cut out for doing, working with things, and there are people who are cut out for working with people. I am cut out for working with people, and programming is not my thing. So you need to find which one actually fits you, and how you're going to do it is to read up extensively on each of the tech skills that shows up on your browser and know the one that suits you. That's the first research. The second research you are going to do is where you're going to learn it. Okay, so you need to learn this without paying a dime, and I tell you, it is possible. So if you don't have money to sponsor yourself, what you can do is to first of all research where you can learn. There is Udemy, there is Coursera, there is ALX. There are a lot of platforms that want to teach you free of charge. But remember, these platforms don't teach all the tech skills. So when you choose the tech skill you want to learn, you research and find the platform that will teach you the skill. Simple. What's the last research you have to do? The last research you have to do is, I love this a lot because I want you to see the end from the beginning. After learning this, how are you actually going to earn? How are you going to make money? So you research, at least find 10 companies that employ the skill you want to learn. If you want to learn programming, find 10 companies that employ programmers. Okay, so look at what are you going to do, not just to find them. You are going to look at the job roles, the responsibilities, the things that you need to know. What are the things that they are looking at? You need to learn Java, you need to learn Python and all that. So you need to know the particular things you need to learn that will give you an edge in the industry, so that you don't start off learning things that are now obsolete. So you find those job requirements. It will guide you in knowing which platform offers you these skills, so that you are actually going to be learning 10 skills, and you go follow them on their socials, especially on LinkedIn, and you intern with them, you volunteer with them. This is how I know that if you spend the next 3 months, the next 6 months, the next 1 year learning tech, that when you are done, you're going to get something that will pay you well. This is actually what I did to start my tech journey, and it's been an amazing journey for the past 6 years. I don't want to start telling you how much you can earn from tech, but you know that tech is the new goal. Okay, so if you're not in tech, it means that you're missing out a lot. And one thing I love about tech is the ability to work remotely. Since 2021, I have not done a physical job. So all the jobs I've done have been remote, so I could work from anywhere in the world. You want to be like me? Take these 3 stupid, simple steps that I have listed out, and then you'll be flying in beautiful colors. Did this help you? So hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, icon so that whenever I drop videos, you can get to see it. My name is Nekemene Timothy, and I'm interested in your relationship life and your finance. And this is Family Boomer. All we do here is relationship and finance. See you next time.